Hey, it's Shauna from Bathtubber here to help you make a splash. Today we're going to be packaging up our DIY Bath Lovers gift baskets. These are recipes, each one you can make in about 10 minutes. So if you missed the recipes, you can find videos on all of them. Later in this video, I'll be sharing how you can download a really pretty PDF that has all the recipes in it, and you can even include that PDF in your Bath Lovers gift basket. Each basket includes a peppermint swirl bath body butter with pink Himalayan salt. You'll also get a mint green tea sugar scrub with matcha green tea powder. We've got our Rosy Bubbles bubble bath, super quick and easy to make. And the best part is the bubbles it makes are amazing. And we have our festive bath salts with rosemary and a hemp seed oil soap with oatmeal. Today, I just want to talk about some of the best ways for packaging up your gift baskets. Now, if you've been following along, each recipe makes 8 half-cup portions. So, if you want to go with half-cup portions, you can find containers like this made of plastic, or you can find, I like these kind of diamond ridged mason jars, which are half-cup portions. These are so cute, these cylinders, also jars, glass jars. And if you decide to double any of your portions that you're putting in your gift basket, like I did with the body butter here, you can use a whole cup mason jar. I'm going to link to all of these containers in the description below. So as you can see, I found these cute little labels that I can write on with a regular pen. They are these labels, which I found on Amazon, and you get 8 sheets for about $8. I also got these labels, which came with some of the mason jars that I ordered, and I was going to write on them with this white pen I got, but it doesn't really work. So if you are getting mason jars with the black labels, I suggest you order a silver or gold Sharpie to go with these. So most of the bath products you're just gonna pour into the containers and label them. Now I like an assortment of different kinds of containers, so that's what I used. But what about the soap? What do we do with this? How do we wrap that super cute? Well, I love the very quick and easy way I came up with. I'm just gonna take a sheet of saran wrap. I'm gonna put my soap about 1 inch from one end of it, fold the saran wrap over like I'm wrapping a present, fold the inch end up, and then the long end where I have all this excess, I'm gonna twist it, and it's gonna look like a piece of candy, a wrapped piece of hard candy. I'll cut a little bit of this excess off, and then I put on a cute ribbon. Now that's my way of wrapping the soap. If you have another idea for how to wrap the soap, go ahead and leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. So now you can take a basket. I have this red basket, which I had at home, which is great for holiday time, but you can find any basket will do. And then you can add some crinkle paper, which comes in a range of colors, gold and white, silver and white, red and green, whatever you like. Put that on the bottom of your basket. Make sure you have a cellophane bag. I will again put everything I'm using here in the description below, so you can find a cellophane bag. And then I'm just going to place my basket in the bag and wrap it with a beautiful ribbon. However, if you would like to print out the PDF that has all of these recipes, all you have to do is go to bathtubber.com/bath-lovers. That's bathtubber.com/bath-lovers. And I will put that URL in the description too. And you'll be able to print out a free and beautiful PDF with all the recipes so that you can put that in your gift basket and your gift recipient can keep the bath love going. So If you enjoyed this video today, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to get step-by-step tutorials for all of these recipes, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And now our DIY Bath Lovers gift basket is ready to gift.